discuss now one-sided limit. After discussing theorems on limit, ito na tayo. Now, saan ba sir ginagamit si one-sided limit? Pansinin niyo sa mga problem, may makikita kayong mga positive or negative na nasa parang exponent nila. Yun na po papasok si one-sided limit. Yung tinatawag nating right-hand limit, tsaka left-hand limit. Let us define. Let f be a function. Function pa din tayo. Defined on some open interval, let's say AD. Then the limit of the function f, as x approaches a from the right is, ito siya, from the right kaya tinatawag din natin siyang right-hand limit. So limit of f of x as x approaches a from the right. Ay, pakiulit nga.
Limit of f of x approaches a from the right.
Sabay-sabay. Limit of f of x as x approaches a from the right is equal to L. If it is approaching from the left, tinatawag natin left hand limit. So limit of f of x as x approaches a from the left is equal to L. So paano po yun, sir? Ibig sabihin, if this is our Cartesian plane, tapos yung graph natin, ayan, yung open natin. Okay. Yung tetest natin si right-hand limit, saan tayo manggagaling? From the right. Saan tayo yung left and right? So ito yung right. So ito, yung right, papunta dyan sa ating, ito yung magiging limit natin. What if, wala? Ito yung tinutukoy natin point. Pero wala tayong graph na nandito. Ano magiging sagot natin? Hindi, from the right na yung given. So, D and E naman na siya. Kasi wala eh. Does not exist. Now, from the left, dito naman yung basis natin. From the left, going to the right is our, okay? If the values of f gets closer and closer to one and only one number, which is the L, as x approaches a through values that are close to but greater than a. Kasi papalapit lang din tayo ng papalapit. Now, sa theorem natin, if f of x as x approaches a is equal to L, if and only if, pagkakaroon tayo ng limit, if the right-hand limit and left-hand limit are the same. Parehas sila ng limit. Okay? Otherwise, kapag magkaiba yung nakuha mong limit dito, sa right, magkaiba sa left, does not exist siya. Although, sir, nag-exist naman siya sa right. Sa left lang hindi. Does not exist na rin. Sabi niya, if and only if. Both dapat exist. Para mas maintindihan natin, let us illustrate using this graph. So, nadaan natin, meron tayong mga hole, meron din tayong shaded. Parang discussion natin last time. Find limit of f of x as x approaches 1 from the right. Okay. So, from the right daw ng 1, papalapit tayo ng papalapit. Ano magiging sagot natin? From the right of 1, so ito siya. So, this is? Pwede ba ito maging basis natin? Papalapit na papalapit? Kasi wala tayong graph. What if na-cut yung graph natin dyan? Nagkaroon lang ng ganyan. Wala tayong graph na papalapit kay 1. Good. Next. Limit of f of x as x approaches 1 from the left naman. So, left ng 1 ay nandito. Ito siya. Meron? Meron. Yan ay?
1.
Positive? 1. Nakuha yun? Next, what is limit of f of x as x approaches 1?
DNE po.
Why D and E? D and E. Sir, bakit? Ito yung sinasabi natin kanina. Nag-e-exist siya sa right. Nag-e-exist siya sa left. Sabi ni theorem, magkakaroon ka lang ng limit kapag the same sila. Are they the same? No. Kaya, does not exist siya. Okay? Next. Limit of f of x as x approaches to from the left. Meron ba? Papalapit tayo ng papalapit kay 2 from the left. Ito. Meron, no? Ano siya?
2.
Limit of f of x as x approaches 2 from the right. Meron ba? 2 from the right. Ano? 2. Limit of f of x as x approaches 2. Same sila, meaning 2. Hindi na siya DNE. Tama? Kasi, natin, parehas na to. Pag parehas daw sila, siya yung limit. Nalilito pa din? Okay. Next, number 7. Limit of f of x as x approaches 4 from the right. From the right until 4. Meron ba?
Meron po.
Ano?
3.
Wait lang.
2.5.
Pag parang bumalik ko siya dito, let's say ito yung 4. Wala ito. Saan ba si 4? Ito, no?
Opo.
Nandito.
4.
Baba natin ito konti, dapat 4.5. So, nasaan? Si 4. Ito si 4. Saan siya? Sa 4. Okay? Bakit? Kasi dito si 4, papalapit ka ng papalapit sa kanya, andito yung basis natin. That is there. Limit of f of x as x approaches 3 from the left.
3.
Di ba? Sumakto. So 3, left niya, ayun. Tasa. Limit of f of x as x approaches 4 from the left. 4 from the left. Meron ba? Left daw niya. Putol yung graph natin. How about number 10? Pag ganito yung hinahanap, ano ito? So f of 0, we're looking for 0 is located in the origin. Pero pag ganito, limit ba hinahanap natin? Ano? Y ba?
Y or X, X and Y axis.
Pang
X axis.
Ano hinahanap? Value. The value of the function. So, locate 0 on X. Tapos, saan yung value natin? Saan nag-shaded? Di ba na-discuss natin last time ito? Sa 4. So, this is... Okay? So, hindi na limit yung hinahanap natin pag ganito. So, walang nakalagay na lim eh. F of 4. F of 4. Dito. Kaso, hindi siya included. So, meron ba tayong value? Wala tayong value. Wala nag-exist na value. Pero pag may nakalagay dyan, lagay natin na may naligaw na dot na hindi belong dun sa graph natin. So, yan ay magiging meron tayong value. F of 3, F of 3, sabihin natin, nandito siya, may shaded dyan. So we have And f of 5, this is, okay? So, yan pag graphing yung given na. Next, for next example, we're going to find the limit of 2x plus 1 as x approaches 2 from the left. So, paano natin hahanapin? Substitute, no? Parang theorem lang natin. Substitute lang natin. So, we have 2 times 2 plus 1. So, we have 2 times 2, 4 plus 1. So, the limit is 5. Nakuha yun? Inagol natin, sir, can we check using the graph? Inagol natin. Yung graph ninyo, paano nyo natin yung ginagraph? If this is the partition plane, paano natin ginagraph si 2x plus 1? So natatandaan nyo si y is equal to mx plus b. Sabi ni y is equal to mx plus b, si b daw si y-intercept. Sa y-axis, doon siya tatama. So, nagkataon, dito ay 1. Ipat mo si 1 ngayon. Let's say, dito si 1, 2, 3, 4. Dito si 1. Next, si M. Ano si M? Slope. Si slope, siya yung katabi ni X. Which is 2. Alam natin na ang full number, may denominator yan na 1. Tama? So, we will be using the rise over run. Rise ka ng dalawa, 1, 2, dahil positive ito, run ka going to the right. 1, 2, 3, 4. So, 1, 2, tapos ito ay 1. Ito yung magiging dot natin. 5 yan, nagdagan natin. Yan. Now, sabi ni definition ng line, 2 points determine a line. If you're going to connect these 2 dots, magkakaroon ka ng line. So, connect natin. Up to infinity. So, assume na, ayan. So, as we are approaching 2, sabi niya dito, approaching 2 from the left, magagaling ka sa left, palapit ng papalapit, ang limit natin ay nandito daw kay, ayan, limit. So, dito, makikita ninyo, ginako ko siya kanina, para mas accurate, x plus to, x plus 5. So, tatama siya dito. Ayan, tumama siya dito sa... Magkaiba kami lang. 2x plus 1 pala, sorry. Mali yung 2x
Plus 1.
plus 1.
Ay, equal.
2x plus 1, 2x, shift plus 5. Yan. Tanggalin natin. So, ito, yung ating y-intercept. Tapos, ito siya. As we are approaching to, ayan, nagkaroon tayo ng limit dito. Tumama siya dito. Okay? Next, limit of x plus 5 as x approaches 5 from the right naman. So, madali lang, substitute lang natin. This will become 5 plus 5, and therefore, the limit is 10. Graph natin, dapat daw nasa 10. So, anong y-intercept? 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Kita? Then anong slope? 1 over 1 kasi still 1. So 1 up, tapos 1 to the right pass. Now pag pinat natin, ayan. Yan yung magiging graph natin. Then 2, 3, 4, 5. So we are approaching 5 from the right. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Dapat andito siya. Para mas makita natin, visualize natin. Kung tama ba? X plus 5 na. Ayan. X plus 5. As we are approaching 5, 8, paano i-move up? 5, ayun, kay 10. Itong violet. Ayan siya. Yun yung pag-verify. Sir, kailangan pa ba namin i-graph? Hindi naman. I-recall lang natin ito para ma-integrate natin yung lesson yung grade 8. Opehin mo.
May naka-video na to. Naka-video.
Okay na? So, nandun yung basic. Dito na tayo sa intermediate. So, for example, C, let f of x is equal to 1 plus square root of 2 minus x. Now, pag-aralan mo natin itong given. What type of given do we have? Irrational? Square root? Ang tawag sa square root? Radical. So we have a radical function. Now, sa radical, ano ang bawal? Negative inside the square root, radical sign. If bawal si negative sa loob ng square root or the radical sign, paano natin makukuha ang domain niya? So, paano natin kinukuha ang domain pag radical? Anyone? Ano ba yung bawal sa kanya? So, get the expression inside the radical sign, 2 minus x. Tapos, bawal daw siya maging negative. Two minus x must be greater than 0. Mas malaki dapat sa 0. Bakit? Bakit, kid? Ano bang mangyayari pag mas maliit sa 0? Magiging negative. Pag negative, yung nasa loob ng radical, bakit bawal? Anong tawag? Imaginary. Magiging imaginary siya. Okay? So, i-check muna natin. Get the value of x. Negative x is greater than negative 2. So, si x lang kailangan natin. Multiply by negative para maging positive si x. Negative times negative, positive. Nag-multiply tayo ng negative. Don't forget to change. Magiging less than na siya to positive 2. Ibig sabihin, yung x daw na value dapat natin ay less than 2. Bawal si 2 pataas kasi magiging negative. Now, find the limit of 1 plus square root of 2 minus x as x approaches 2 from the left. Gagawin natin. Substitute natin agad. Ganun lang din, substitute natin. So, magiging 1 plus square root of 2 minus 2. 1 plus square root of 2 minus 2? Square root of 0. So 1 plus 0, therefore this is 1. Yun na. Mabalik lang sa substitution. Next! Nakuha? How about here? So same lang. 1 plus square root of 2 minus 2. 1 plus square root of 0. 1 plus 0 is 1. Same ba?
Opo.
Sure kayo? Sure kayo? Check natin. Isa kasi from the left, isa coming from the right. Now, if you are approaching 2 from the right, ano yung mga values from the right of 2? Oh, pwedeng 2.1, 2.2, 2.3, 2.5, 3, 4, 5, so on. Is this greater than 2? Yes. Eh sabi ni Domain, less than 2 lang ang applicable sa kanya. Now, dito pa lang, may something, mag-i-imaginary na siya. So ano may sagot dito? Still 1 ba? So ano dapat? I-check natin, kaya mahalaga yung pag-test using graph or kahit ano eh. Isipin mo lang siya, basta nakuha mo si domain, i-connect mo na ngayon. Ang domain kasi natin, bawal siya mas malaki ng 2. Now, approaching from greater than 2 to, mas malaki sa 2. So, does not exist. Kahit di ka na mag-solve, huwag mo na itong ipakita. Paano pang hinanap? 2 lang, walang left hand and right hand. DNA siya. Kasi yung isa sa left meron, sa right hand limit, DNA is under 40. Kuha? So, ang dami nating na-recall ha, from graphing to domain of radical. And proceed na tayo sa piecewise. Nag-piecewise kayo kailan? Last sem. Genmat. Nag-piecewise ba tayo? Piecewise tayo. Hindi nga lang ganun ka... hindi na elaborated ng gusto. No. Unlike ibang school. Now, ang mahalaga kay piecewise, check natin yung conditions. Ito yung mga mahalaga, yung mga condition na nandito. Bilugan natin. So, consider the function f defined by f of x is equal to 2 if x is greater than 1. 1 if x is equal to 1. And negative x if x is less than 1. So, evaluate. Limit of f of x as x approaches 1 from the right. Ano yung mga numbers na from the right of 1? 1.1, 1.2, 1.3. Therefore, yung mga number na yun ay greater than 1. So, check mo dito, alin dyan si greater than 1? 2. So, this is greater than 2. Kaya lang siya mahirap. Next. Limit of f of x as x approaches 1 from the left. Left of negative 1. Ano siya?
0.9, 0.8, 0.7.
In short, those number are less than 1. So, less than 1. So, this is negative x. Are we done with this? Hindi pa. Meron na tayong value ng function. We need to substitute. So, we have negative. That's it. Yun lang yun. Next, limit of f of x as x approaches 1.
0. Yan equal. What?
Dito sa condition, 1 siya. Pero, chinek mo si left at si right, magkaiba. So this is pinapalito lang kayo minsan ni Ma. Next. Madali. Another piecewise. Suppose f is a function defined by f of x is equal to 2 minus 3x squared if x is greater than 2. Square root of x minus 2 if x is less than or equal to 2. Check ulit natin yung condition, no? Yan yung pinakamahalaga dito. Evaluate limit of f of x as x approaches 2 from the right. From the right, meaning greater than 2. Greater than 2. Ito yung kailangan natin. So, siya ay si 2 minus 3x cubed. Then, saka tayo mag-substitute. 2 minus 3 times 2 cubed. So, 2, 3 times 2 cubed. 2 cubed is 8. Now we have 2 minus 8, 16, 24. So we have negative 20. Kuha? Limit of f of x as x approaches 2 from the left. So less than 2. Meron ba tayong less than? Meron ba tayong less than or equal? So we have square root of x minus 2. So we have 2 minus 2. This is 0. Letter B, DNA? So itong last. Bakit? Gets? Tandaan nyo yung piecewise the condition. Kailangan lang i-analyze. Copy. Basic bang Pascal? Hindi ba? Kuha nyo nga.
Medyo